Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. So for this purpose, first you need to open WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Then here at the bottom right corner, you have the button of settings, tap on it. Then settings page will appear on your screen. Here under privacy, you have the option of chats, click on it. Then here you can see the option of chat backup, tap on it. Then here at the last you have the option of end-to-end encrypted backup. Once you tap on it, then this type of page will appear. Your backup will be safe even if you lose your phone. Secure your backup with a password or an encryption key. Then here you have the option of turn off, tap on it. For turning off encrypted backup, first you need to enter that password which you set while turning on encrypted backup. Once you enter password, then here you have the option of turn off, tap on it. Then this type of page will appear. Here you need to tap on done. So that's how you can turn off end-to-end encrypted backup in WhatsApp. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.